need a helping hand? Then welcome to an exciting and powerful time-saving cleaning service for the American household. Designed specifically for the busy homeowner, Helping Hands offers a one-stop service for all your cleaning needs, from routine cleanings to windows and carpets. If you need high-quality and trustworthy cleaning assistance in your home, Helping Hands is the company for you. Our cleaners receive an in-house orientation and training program that begins with honesty, integrity, and attention to detail. With the best tools at their fingertips, our cleaners are able to tend to every detail in your home, never passing anything without cleaning it as we circle each room. Our One Circle process is designed for our cleaners to save time without sacrificing quality.
We have been using Helping Hands for over 4 years, and from day one, they have been so great. I would recommend Helping Hands to my friends because of the quality, because of the staff and the cleaning crew. With the cleaning crew, when they show up, I know they're going to do a great job. They're very trustworthy, and I'm confident that they'll do a nice job in my house.
I've been using Helping Hands for a few months now, and I couldn't be happier. As a mom of 2 small children, I'm always busy and I could always use an extra couple hands around the house. So it's allowed me to spend more time with my family and significantly decrease my stress levels.
Through the Cleaning for a Reason organization, we are able to help dozens of cancer patients by simplifying their lives and by providing free cleanings for their homes. This is the most meaningful and rewarding part of our work, and we are thrilled to be able to assist these women who are battling this disease.
In late 2013, I learned that I had a brain tumor, and then I went through some intensive chemo and radiation. A friend connected me with Helping Hands, telling me that they provided free cleaning for women who are undergoing cancer treatment. The ladies at Helping Hands were great. They would come each week and clean my house better than I could do myself. I'm so grateful for how they helped me during this time so I could focus on getting my rest and feeling better.
Call us today for a convenient and competitive quote. Then start using the cleaning service that will leave you with the remarkable experience of wanting more. Helping Hands Cleaning Service.